came to Australia to visit to a meeting and went to a church, and I saw these people, Australians, worship God, and you see how they read God's word in their own language, and you can just see how they felt blessed, and you can really see that they really know this God that they are serving. So we in Vanuatu, we really want to see this happening. We want to see people, when reading God's word, they can understand and they can show it in their eyes and in their talking and in their singing. They can show that they really know this God. So that's the reason why we really want people to get a translation and do the translate God's word into their own languages. Sometimes when we read this, we really don't understand English, or we really don't understand French, and we get this picture of God, like we have our own vision of God. We didn't really understand the God that is in the Bible. So we need people who are committed in wanting people to understand God's word, to come and help us. They work with us, we work together, they give their advice, expertise in background, Bible background, and we give our knowledge in our culture, how we see things, and so that when we put these two things together, and people can see God in their God, they can see that God is not God of Israel or God of America, but it is also their God. We will accept anyone who is willing to come and spend his life, learn our culture, and serve God with us in this great mission of God, to take God's word to the hearts, language of different communities in Vanuatu.